Tired of hacking up a storm? Let's tackle that annoying cough with stuff you already have at home. First up, ginger tea. Slice up some fresh ginger, toss it in boiling water and let it steep. Sip slowly and feel your throat thank you. Next, honey and lemon mix. Squeeze half a lemon, mix with a spoonful of honey and down the hatch. Honey coats your throat and lemon packs a vitamin C punch. And here's a classic steam inhalation. Fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel. Breathe in the steam to clear those airways. Remember, these are quick fixes, not miracle cures. If your cough sticks around, get it checked out. Stay healthy and stay awesome. Catch you in the next one.